What's up guys, welcome to Cook and Capture. Today we're gonna make instant Falooda. Take Quality Falooda mix strawberry flavor 200g pack, trim it out and take it into a plate. Now add 1 liter milk into a pan, add 1 glass of water, bring it to boil. Now add Falooda mix well. I'm not adding sugar. If you want extra sweetness, you can add sugar. Now cook it for 3 to 5 minutes until the sevai becomes soft. Now turn off the flame. Instant Falooda is ready. Refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Pour in a serving glass. Top it with your choice of ice cream. Here I am adding vanilla ice cream and top it with chopped cashews and chopped almonds. Instant Falooda is ready. Try it out and do share with your family and friends. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.